Have you been wondering where to begin? FreelanceHub offers a comprehensive online video course for freelancers. Jumpstart and develop your freelance career. Let me introduce myself. I am a freelance video producer based in London. I've worked with clients like Google, Sony Music, HSBC, Vodafone, and Cisco, to name a few. I've been a freelancer for about 10 years now, and during those years, I've learned a lot about how to build and run my one-man freelance business. That's why now, after years of accumulating a fair amount of insight and experience, I want to share this knowledge with people that are developing their own freelance careers today, to help them make a fast and easy start. I will cover everything I personally wish I knew years ago when I started: where to begin, how to put together a portfolio, how to find clients, how to negotiate budgets, how to manage difficult clients, how to organize and run multiple projects simultaneously, how to manage the legal aspects of your work, how to better organize your time with your day-to-day work and your personal life around it. I've been working on this course for over a year, and I'm delighted to share it with you now.
So today's video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to register on OneForma. Either you are staying in Nigeria, Ghana, any part of Africa, any part of the world where you are, this video is how to sign up on OneForma and how to get tax on OneForma. So let's proceed. I'm going to search on my browser OneForma. So let's say my OneForma. I'm gonna load. Alright, so before you go to sign up on OneForma, there's a hack I want to teach all of us. There's a hack I want to teach you before you sign up on OneForma, how to know the recruiting project, where tax are available, and what tax or project that they are recruiting on. So how I do that is that I already have my own personal OneForma account before the ones I created specifically for the project or the job I want to apply for. So I use them to know the tasks where they are ongoing. But I've already done a video before previously that I uploaded, but that the video was kind of a live tutorial I did with some students that signed up for the membership that wants to learn OneForma. So that was, and they were all Nigerian, that's why I used pidgin in that. But I found out that some person don't understand the language that was spoke there, so I decided to make this video now with English so that everybody will understand and be able to sign up. I already have some accounts. Let me open the Gmail. I already have some accounts. Let me log in some Gmails that I have accounts in them already. So I already have some accounts here. So you can see this one now. They sent me a job invitation. So let me read it. So, hello Peter, looking for a fun and easy way to earn from home. Join project. Sent rules, a remote video data collection study by OneForma. Participants will record short selfie videos using Apple and blah blah blah, all of it. And I listed countries where the tags are available. So here you see Australia, Hong Kong, Egypt, Japan, Singapore, UAE, India, Israel, France, India, Kenya, Turkey, Portugal, New Zealand, Spain, Italy, Mexico, Vietnam. So now, in this tutorial, I'm going to be using should I say Project Lighthouse, because Project Lighthouse is now using Project Lighthouse because it's available for US, Turkey, and Italy. And also, I will do a full video tutorial on how to sign up for this, what's it called, for translation. You understand? So now, first thing you're going to be needing is a resume. So I've explained previously on how to to do this resume. So for every application you are doing, you're going to tailor your resume to that exact job description. That's how you're going to do your resume. You can use a ChatGPT, but for the person that are in the Telegram channel, I'm going to be sending in some resume there either today or tomorrow. I'm sending some resume there for Handshake AI, for Outlier ATAP, OneForma Lighthouse, and all of it. So you can see the samples of the resume and make yours too. By making them are not difficult. So first thing is resume. And before you be able to make this your resume, you will know the location you're applying for. So if you're applying for, let me say, a Turkish account, and you want to apply for Lighthouse in Turkey, first of all, you need to get the ID. The ID is not something difficult to do. You can edit, you can buy already made IDs and all of it. Then the details on the ID is what you're going to be using for your resume, like the name of the person on the ID, the name of the date of birth of the person, what you're going to be using, and you will get a Turkish phone number that you're going to use for verification. You can use authentication.com, you can use smsactivate.com. Those websites, they sell real numbers and you get the OTP right there. That's how to get this resume done. So let's see a sample of this resume that I've done. So you see, so this is a resume, Stephen Caro. I'm going to blow some parts here so that they won't take down this video. So this is what the resume looks like. So we're going to be making the account right away. So now I have done this thing. I've connected my proxy and I have come to this OneForma page now so that I will take the application. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, or you are visiting again and it's not your first time and you've not subscribed to this channel, because it teaches you how to make money online in this channel, how to apply for remote jobs that are accepting all over the world. Even the ones that are not accepting your location will teach you how to get those jobs. So I'm going to be applying for the data collection, the OD data collection for Kenya region, because I've checked the pay and the pay is high for the Kenya location. So I'm going to be applying for the Kenya location. So this is my OneForma page. This is their home page that I've opened. Like I've said, I'm not staying in Kenya, so I've connected my proxy and I've taught you guys how to connect proxy in the previous video. So if not worried, then go and check the videos on my page and you will see them how to connect the proxies, how to buy the best proxies for this job. Like for OneForma, I can use proxy to do registration, but if you want to apply for Project Lighthouse, I don't think proxy is going to work for Project Lighthouse. But if it's for translation, data collection and transcription jobs, they can do all of it. And OneForma is a remote job company that have different job opportunities. They have different job opportunities just for you to check the ones that you can do, and you do them. So let's make the account. And again, like I forgot to tell you, you need to get your mobile phone ready or handy, because you're gonna be using Google Authenticator, because they're gonna ask you for 2FA. So is to put your name, put in your email address, country of residence, and if you want to apply for OneForma job, let me say for translation job or for data collection, the country which you are translating into, let me say if you are translating Turkish Turkey to should I say Chinese Taiwan or Chinese or China Chinese, then you should make accounts with Chinese Taiwan as your native language. That way you get a higher paying job, like a higher pay for the same project that you are doing. So just watch what I'm doing on my screen. So you put a name, email address, then your location. They're going to send you OTP to your email address that you have input. So you go to your Gmail. Excuse me. I've already made this account before. I have lots of OneForma accounts. I'm just doing this one now for tutorial, so that I'm going to teach you guys how to take the sign up, because the previous one I did was students. I was just on class with some students, and it was pidgin English. That was the mistake I made. So log in the account. Then this is the two-factor authentication that I'm telling you. So you're going to scan with your mobile phone to scan the QR code. So go and scan the QR code. Hey, can I get that phone? Give me the phone here. The other one. Oh. So you are not installed, install the Authenticator app. You can use either Google, you can use Microsoft, but mostly it's Google that I use. I use Google Authenticator app. So you're going to open the authenticated out, then turn on the this thing scan button. Then you're going to scan this QR code that is being displayed on the screen. So it's kind of, you put the code 534469. Then click on verify. Then your two-factor authentication is successfully enabled. So I'm going to access the account. I'm going to be showing you guys like two methods to apply. This is method 1 on the application. This is method 1 of the application, but I'm going to be showing you like how to apply. That's what I'm doing the application for the translation project. This one is like, this one now is just the one that you're going to sign up to use to know the active projects. Like me now, I don't need it because I already have accounts. So, and I do get invites. When I get an invite to a project that I think that I like to join, if the pay is something good for me and I would like to join, then I will join. I will make an account on the project. But what I'm doing, I'm only doing like Milky Way Lightspeed. I'm also doing Milky Way Map, and I'm also doing Lighthouse. So these are the projects I do, the 3 projects I do on OneForma because of the high pay. Like if you're doing project Lighthouse, if you have a Norway account, you should be expecting like 5k or more every month. That's why I work on those 3 projects. But I do other projects too, because why I do them is that I get the answers and keep and help persons that need the answers. That's why I do those ones like that. So let's log in the account again. Oh Jehovah, this is why you need to put your educator, because now people do log in people's OneForma accounts. So you need the authenticator app so that you always put the code when you're logging in. So now this is what the profile looks like on OneForma. On this dashboard now, you'll see that the jobs are empty. Now why is this showing empty? Because if you notice now, we only did account registration, we didn't apply for actual job. So this is just registering the account first of all. If you just want to take a sign up, but if you have a project in mind that you want to apply for, this is not the same method that you're going to use. So this one now is method 1 of you signing up to see active projects. So when you see active projects, then if you want to apply for, like for the region of the account you've made, you can, why I did this one now for Kenya, that I'm going to apply for that this thing, data collection. I will use the account to do giveaway to any of the members in my Telegram group or channel members. Rather, I will just give it to channel members. That's what I'm going to be doing. Then the second application I'm going to be doing is a real application for a project, project translation project. That one I'll show you how to actually prepare the accounts, like from scratch. Take the application and it will successful on how to write, because OneForma have certifications. You understand? OneForma have certifications, so you're gonna take those certifications before you can be able to partake in a real project. You're gonna take the certifications to be able to partake in a real project. So now let's go to surveys. But I've not actually tried surveys on OneForma before. I heard that they do have surveys, but the pay is very, very little. A person that like taking surveys, you can actually do them. The payment part is a place you want to link your payment. Either you link your Payoneer or you link your PayPal for payments. Then certification place is when you want to apply for a project. Then you're going to write certification. But first, when you're done with making the account, you're going to write welcome to OneForma certification. Then that tax there is for the project that you are applying for. Then you're going to check availability of tax. That's what that place is for. So this is what the dashboard of OneForma looks like. This is what it actually looks like. There's nothing tedious and nothing too difficult about registering the account. Where there is problem is applying for a project and taking the certifications. That's where the actual thing is. So check the next video. The video immediately after this one. That is the video for the translation project, like the real application for tax. So that video is all about applying for projects of translation projects. That's what the video is all about. So check the next video because I don't want this one to be too lengthy.